Hello, parents. Here is the parent news for the week of December 16th through 20th, as well as January 6th through 10th. Our virtual learning rock star for this week is Luke. Luke, we are very proud of you. You come to class ready to learn, you're engaged, you answer questions, you ask questions. You have your supplies right there with you. You are following those classroom expectations. So keep it up, Luke. We are very proud of you. Spirit Week is next week. Here are the different days. Again, this is optional, but it is something fun for students. Monday, dress like a snowman. Tuesday, dress like the Grinch. Wednesday, dress like a present. And all second graders are a present to Miss Cook. Thursday is ugly sweater day, and Friday is pajama day. Again, parents, app work is a must. Remember, students should be spending 10 minutes of app work time on Amira, 10 minutes with Dreambox, and 15 minutes of independent reading. After winter break, independent reading time will increase to 20 minutes per day. District announcement. This one hurts Miss Cook's teacher heart because we will no longer have access to Epic after winter break. So students should still have access to Sora to read books, and they can go through Backpack and their apps to look for Sora. So students should still have access to that, but I won't be able to track students' independent reading time through Sora. So please make sure your student is reading for 15 minutes each day. Again, starting in January, though, it will be 20 minutes each day. Upcoming dates. On the 20th, it's a half day, and that also starts our winter break. Please make sure you are checking Backpack weekly. This week's work will be due Monday at 8 a.m. So please make sure that any work from this week is turned in. No work will be accepted from this week after Monday at 8 a.m. And then work from next week will not be accepted after 11:15 a.m. on the 20th. So when we leave for break, that is it for quarter two. All right, questions and conversations that you can have with your student. Lots of learning took place this week, so students should know the answers to the following questions. In reading, what should I be doing while I'm reading? In math, please ask your student to skip count by fives. If they're struggling, I did put a song inside of our Google Classroom in the student resource area where they can listen to the skip counting song around the clock. So please make sure your child listens to that song. Some questions you can ask your student for science. Question: atoms that do not move around very much but stay close together are. Atoms that are more spread out are. Atoms that move a lot and spread easily are. In grammar, ask your student to identify the compound subject in each of these sentences. And parents, I have the answer right there at the top right-hand corner. In social studies, we just started our civic disposition project. So just ask your student who they're going to do their research on. That would be a great conversation starter for social studies. And in writing, right now we're in the editing phase of our writing. So please ask your child to share their writing with you and let you see what they have so far. Student weekly recap will be sent out this week. So please make sure you take a look at that. You are definitely looking for a sticker from your child or for your child. So please make sure you check that so you know how well your kiddo is doing. And check the student newsletter that will also post. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see you next week as we get ready for winter break.